All Excel sheets have a horizontal and a vertical bar. To use them, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to scroll horizontally. I first place the mouse cursor on the horizontal bar. Second, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse to the right. To scroll to the next columns, or to the left, to scroll to the previous columns. Finally, I release the left button of the mouse. Now, I will follow these steps to scroll vertically. I first place the mouse cursor on the vertical bar. Second, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse cursor down to scroll to the next rows, or up to scroll to the previous rows. Finally, I release the left button of the mouse. As you can see, these bars help us to quickly scroll to any column or row in the worksheet. Notice that there are arrowheads located at both ends of the scroll bars. To scroll to the right or left, column by column, click the arrows located on the horizontal bar, like this. To scroll down or up, row by row, click the arrows located on the vertical bar, like this.